This 1080p video shows some ways to add desktop shortcuts to YouTube and other videos. Google will suggest a complicated method using the Chrome browser. For those people still using Windows, I would suggest for privacy that you don't use the Chrome browser. However, the easiest, most private and ad-free way to create these shortcuts is to use Firefox, Linux and DuckDuckGo as the search engine. In the bookmarks bar, I will press on PC Techtips and drag the bookmark to the desktop. I will now highlight and drag the PC Techtips URL to the desktop. I will now click on the thumbnail for Transfer Files with Local Send. Local Send is a free program which works on all platforms to send data from one device to another using your home Wi-Fi and without using a USB memory stick, a cable or the internet. Now I will drag the highlighted URL for Transfer Files with Local Send to the desktop and then close the tab. Right-click on the shortcut, then left-click on Rename to shorten the name to something more meaningful. Press Enter to activate the new name, then press on the new shortcut to open the video. Local Send is a free program which works on all platforms to send data from one device to another using your home Wi-Fi and without using a USB memory stick, a cable or the internet. You may also find this helpful if you were partway through watching a long video and just wanted a temporary shortcut on the desktop. You can then resume watching it later from where you left off. As an example, I was recently halfway through watching this video when a visitor called in, so I quickly made a desktop shortcut and watched the rest of the video later. If you found the video useful, look in description below for YouTube links to many more PC Tech Tips. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and forward the YouTube link to your friends. Also subscribe to PC Tech Tips to be notified when I upload another video tutorial.